So be under guard. Remember, for 3 years, start for each night.
Crypto is a revolution stuck in permanent beta. Without structure, it risks descending into chaos, only to be absorbed or crushed by the very system it claims to resist. It is a libertarian fever dream, where freedom is promised but never delivered. Instead, radical individualism takes its place, benefiting only a few, the already powerful, and bringing inbuilt fragility. Crypto borrows the aesthetics of decentralization, while remaining a playground for the elite. Where wealth and power are still concentrated, it doesn't free people. It shackles them by shifting risks and enforcement to individuals who lack the capacity to bear them. A bad harvest in medieval Europe led to serfdom. People traded their freedom for survival. Crypto's current structure mirrors this: a digital feudalism, where power remains out of reach for most, despite the illusion of autonomy. Freedom in name only. Elon Musk, Brian Armstrong, Mark Andreessen, these are not anti-establishment figures. They're the establishment, just in hoodies, armed not with critical thought, but with selfishness and shallow ideology. Crypto once had the radical edge to disrupt, but incoherence prevents revolution, and so the system tolerates it. Because under these conditions, it poses no real threat because it disintegrates over time. Without true decentralization, power concentrates. Without stability, markets implode. The cycle repeats, and still, the dreamers believe. If crypto wants to be an alternative, it needs precision in economic thinking, paired with governance and accountability as radical as its technology. Otherwise, it's just the same old broken system, this time dressed up as tokens and on the blockchain. Serfdom in Germany was not called slavery, but it was. Not by race, but by birth. Not by chains, but by law. Tied to the land, owned by lords, worked to the bone, unable to leave. In 1525, the peasants rose. They fought trained soldiers with little more than tools. Luther, who once spoke of justice, turned against them. He told the princes, slaughter them like mad dogs. And so they did. The revolts were crushed. Serfdom remained for centuries. Paul said,
Remember,
savage wolves will come in among you, and will not spare the flock.